Hello, Smart Stars. Welcome to SnowQuizzes, the playground for quick minds and sharp wits. Now, tell me, do you really think you are as smart as you say you are? It's time to prove it. Today's math challenge will test your speed, focus, and problem solving. Only the sharpest minds make it to the final level. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes and brain workouts. Are you ready? Let's go.
Started, everyone. What is 14 times 3? Take your time, you can do this. And the answer is 42. Great job if you got that right. Keep going. Here comes the next one. What is 16 times 4? Think carefully. You're doing well. And the answer is 64. Nice work. Let's try the next one. What is 13 times 5? Take a moment. You've got this. And the answer is 65. Excellent effort. Keep it up. Let's keep going. What is 18 times 2? Think it through, you're doing great. And the answer is 36. Well done. You're getting stronger. Here comes another challenge. What is 17 times 3? Stay calm, you can solve it. And the answer is 51. Fantastic work. Keep that confidence. Next question, everyone. What is 12 times 6? Take your time, don't rush. And the answer is 72. Great thinking. Let's continue. You're doing really well so far. What is 19 times 4? Focus, you're almost there. And the answer is 76. Awesome job. Keep pushing forward. Alright, here comes the next one. What is 15 times 5? Think carefully, you can handle this. And the answer is 75. Brilliant work. Stay sharp. Let's try another one. What is 11 times 7? Take a deep breath. You're doing amazing. And the answer is 77. Excellent effort. Keep going strong. Last one for this easy round. What is 20 times 3? Give it your best shot. You're almost done with the easy part. And the answer is 60. Wonderful job. That was a great round. Alright, Smart Stars. Welcome to the medium level. Let's see how strong your multiplication skills are. What is 24 times 6? Take your time, think carefully. And the answer is 144. Wonderful start. Keep that confidence going. Here comes the next one. What is 27 times 5? Stay focused. You're doing great. And the answer is 135. Nice work. Let's keep moving. Alright, try this one. What is 32 times 4? Think it through, you've got this. And the answer is 128. Excellent effort. Keep pushing. Next question, everyone. What is 36 times 7? Take a moment, don't rush. And the answer is 252. Great thinking. Stay sharp. You're doing really well. What is 29 times 8? Focus your mind. You can solve it. And the answer is 232. Fantastic work. Keep going strong. Let's try another one. What is 34 times 5? Take your time. Think carefully. And the answer is 170. Very good. You're improving. Stay focused now. What is 41 times 6? Give it your best shot. And the answer is 246. Excellent job. Keep the momentum. Here comes another challenge. What is 38 times 7? Think clearly, you're doing great. And the answer is 266. Well done. Keep pushing forward. Almost there for this level. What is 45 times 4? Take a deep breath, stay calm. And the answer is 180. Great work. Just one more to go. Last question for this medium level. What is 52 times 3? Give it your best effort. And the answer is 156. Wonderful job. You completed the medium level. Now we are stepping things up. What is 63 times 7? Think carefully and stay confident. Great job. You're doing amazing. Stay strong. What is 69 times 8? Focus your mind. questions are tougher, but I believe you can handle them. What is 128 times 7? Take your time, think carefully. You've come this far. And the answer is 896. Excellent start. You're showing real strength. Here comes the next big challenge. What is 245 times 6? Stay focused, don't rush. And the answer is 1,470. Fantastic work. Keep that confidence high. Let's keep pushing forward. What is 372 times 5? Take a deep breath. Think it through. And the answer is 1,860. Amazing effort. You're doing very well. Next challenge. What is 416 times 8? Stay calm, you can solve this. And the answer is 3,328. Great thinking. Keep going strong. You're doing wonderfully so far. What is 509 times 9? Focus your mind, take your time. And the answer is 4,581. Excellent work. You're handling tough questions like a pro. Let's continue the challenge. What is 624 times 7? Think carefully, you've got this. And the answer is 4,368. Very impressive. Keep moving